be installing our ZVA A8-08, our Sidewinder. As you can see, switch comes with on the off setting. So once you install it and plug the power up, you will want to switch this to on. And this is also with our magnetic base plate option. This does not come standard, it's an option. You want to put the tube directly in the sump. And you want to make sure the clips is all the way flush against the sump. And then you can let go. As you see, it's magnetized. Take your rubber band off your power cord. Next, you want to have a waste container. You want to sit your waste container directly under the Sidewinder. Discharge hose, as you would like to connect that to the dip tray. And you can move your waste container out a little bit. And now you want to plug up your power. And as you can see, once plugged in, nothing happened. The tube did not start moving because you have to flick this switch. And as you can see, the tube will skim the trefoil off of the white ceramic washer down into the discharge tube.